Black ice may make that first step out the door tonight into Tuesday morning a very slippery one. We are looking at mainly untreated surfaces. That could be the parking lot, the driveway, sidewalks, or yes, even some roadways, due to the fact that we started to melt a little bit of that snow and ice on Monday, and now it is rapidly refreezing overnight with another blast of Arctic air. Next up, we're going to be worried about the winds tonight. Blowing and drifting of snow will be expected as winds pick up across the region. We're looking at winds that will increase after midnight, and they're expected to gust anywhere from 25 to 30, even up to 35 miles per hour. And the blowing of drifting of snow, especially in rural areas, will create very poor travel through Tuesday. School delays, school closings going to be expected, and those snow conditions with falling snow and blowing snow may persist much of the day Tuesday. Our travel conditions will become poor overnight, especially rural areas due to blowing and drifting, and it may be sometime Tuesday before conditions even improve across many of our rural roadways. So extra caution if you're going to be traveling. And with the gusty winds, you probably guessed it, a bitter cold wind chill. Worst of the wind chills now through 6 a.m. as cold as 15 to 20 below zero. We may even out through daybreak right around 10 below zero, and we'll stay with a wind chill at or below zero straight through Tuesday afternoon.